How do you ensure that your tax records are accurate in your business? Now, why do you want to make sure that they are accurate? First of all, you want to be compliant with HMRC and make everything digital so you are able to go back to your records. HMRC will be rolling out the MTD, or the Making Tax Digital, where you have to be submitting all your tax returns digitally. So in that instance, if they do ask for something, you also want to make sure that you have the records and you're able to provide them. So it will ensure that you are audit ready as well. It also helps with financial planning, because if your records are correct, you know exactly what you can anticipate your tax bills to be, and you can plan for the future. So you can plan what your cash flows will be looking like, what your profits will be looking like, and what you need to do strategically to get to where you want to be. What are the best practices to ensure that your accounting records and your tax records are correct? Now, I would recommend using an accounting software that ensures you can track all of the expenses and all of the calculations. You use an accounting software that can probably calculate the tax for you as well, so it is calculated correctly and you don't have to worry about any errors. I'd recommend speaking to a professional in some instances, especially where judgment is applied or you're not sure if there are any tax implications of specific transactions, or maybe you could leverage some relief. So I'd recommend speaking to a professional as well. One thing commonly forgotten, you need to ensure you are separating your personal records and your business records. So business records are what you need to be thinking about and what you need to be recording. So for example, if it's mileage, you need to be able to split what is personal mileage and what is business. What is the mileage that you incurred for business purposes, and what is it that you incurred for your personal purposes? What are some of the things that you want to keep as part of your tax records? You'd have receipts and invoices for your transactions. You'd have any HMRC correspondence. It could be the rate changes that they've shared with you, or any changes to your tax profile that they may have shared with you, or codes even, for example, for some of the agents you may be using. You also want to keep any copies of contracts for any properties you've sold, or for any arrangements if you entered into, especially where they are tailored and they were bespoke for that particular client or for that particular type of work. Bank statements as well. Thankfully, you can get your bank statements from your bank at any point in time, but these are the kind of records that you want to keep to make sure that you have the support that you need for accurate tax records. So make sure you have these and you've thought this through so you can have a peace of mind for the accuracy in your business.